There was a time when I waited for someone to save me. Here's something we often say: no one is coming to save you. Well, what does this mean? Nobody is coming to save you, not your friends, not your teachers, not even your parents. They may guide you, they may pray for you, but the only person who can save you is you. Now, this sounds simple, right? But do you truly believe it? Do you feel empowered by it, or do you get angry when you hear it? Why? What makes you think that somebody should come and save you? Maybe you think they have the power to make things better for you. Maybe you think they have the responsibility to do so, or maybe you just expect them to because that's what you've always done. Let me ask you another question. When things are bad, would you rather fix them, or would you rather wait for someone to fix it for you? If you said you'd rather wait for someone to fix it for you, then this is for you. When I was young, I waited for many people to help me. At school, I would wait for my friends to do my homework. After all, they were smarter than me, weren't they? And what happened? Well, I never got any help. In fact, they would just copy their answers onto my homework sheet and submit it for me. This continued till one day my teacher caught us red-handed. She was furious, and rightly so. At home, I would wait for my mom to remind me to study. After all, she wanted me to become someone important in life, didn't she? And what happened? Well, nothing changed until one day my mom stopped telling me to study. She told me instead, "I'm not going to tell you to study anymore. It's your responsibility to study, and if you want to become someone important in life, then it's your job to work hard. You can do it." And yes, she was right. Now, please don't get me wrong. I am not saying you should blame yourself for everything. There are times when external factors have an impact on our lives. Our teachers could be bad. Our classmates could be bullies. Our parents could be ignorant. But blaming them won't solve anything. Instead of focusing on those factors, focus on the only thing that you can change yourself. The first step to becoming strong is realizing that you are responsible for your own happiness, your own success, your own life. Once you realize this, the next step is to wake up. Wake up to your dreams, wake up to your potential, wake up to your responsibilities. Look around you. You have been gifted with so much. You have hands to write, you have feet to run, you have eyes to see, you have ears to listen, you have a brain to learn, you have the ability to choose. So use what you have. Don't wait for anyone to use it for you. And look at your surroundings. You are surrounded by so much beauty. Even as you watch this video, you are surrounded by beauty. The chair you sit on, the phone you watch this on, the clothes you wear, the food you eat, your family, your friends, your pets, all of this is beautiful. Appreciate it. Be grateful for it. Enjoy it, because this moment will never come again. Once you appreciate it, protect it. Protect your family, your friends, your dreams, your reputation, your values. Do not let anyone or anything destroy it. Next, you must develop a powerful mindset. If your mind is weak, everything will be weak. Develop your mind, think positively, believe in yourself. Don't tolerate negative thoughts. Replace every "I can't" with "I can." Don't let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. Tell them instead, "Watch me do it." Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. You sit wisely. Do you know what happens when you keep waiting? You lose precious time. Time that could have been used to build your future. Time that could have been used to create your dreams. Time that could have been used to make your parents proud. If you don't have time now, then make time. Every great person has had limited time. Every successful person has had 24 hours a day, just like you, yet they became successful. How did they do it? Well, they did it by setting priorities. The third step is to take action. Action is where everything begins and ends. Don't wait for others to motivate you. Motivate yourself. Don't wait for others to tell you what to do. Figure it out yourself. Don't wait for others to praise you. Praise yourself for every small win. Don't wait for others to fulfill your wishes. Fulfill your own wishes. Take charge of your life. Do it today because tomorrow is never guaranteed. Look, here's the harsh reality. As long as you keep waiting, as long as you keep blaming others, as long as you keep complaining about your situation, your life will remain the same. But the moment you decide to take control, the moment you decide to rise up, the moment you decide to fight for yourself, that's when your life will change. Listen to these words carefully. They will change your life forever. You want to be great. Then stop waiting. Stop blaming others. Stop making excuses. Your future is not written in the stars. It's written by your daily actions. You want to be successful. Then stop comparing yourself to others. Compare yourself to your past self. Your goal is to become better than you were yesterday, not better than someone else. Ask yourself, have I improved since yesterday? If the answer is yes, then you are on the right path. Life is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the process of becoming successful. Enjoy the process of achieving your dreams. If you focus only on the end result, you will be disappointed. Why? Because the end result is always uncertain. We can only control our actions. We cannot control the outcome. So focus on your actions. Focus on doing your best. The rest will follow. Remember, you are stronger than your fear. You are braver than your doubts. You are smarter than your excuses. The only person who can stop you from succeeding is you, because either you will give up on yourself or you will sacrifice your dreams for temporary pleasures. Let me tell you something about waiting. You might think waiting is a passive activity, but it's not. Waiting requires patience, perseverance, and faith. It requires you to trust in something beyond your control. But sometimes, especially when we're dealing with difficult situations, waiting can be extremely hard. It can make us feel helpless, hopeless, and even angry. When I was young, I struggled with waiting. I wanted things to happen fast. I wanted to succeed quickly. I couldn't understand why things weren't happening my way. But over time, I learned the importance of waiting. I learned that sometimes waiting is the best revenge. When people hurt us or wrong us, waiting gives us the chance to heal and grow. It allows us to process our emotions and come back stronger than before. For example, imagine you have a big presentation at work. You have been working hard on it for weeks and you are really nervous about presenting it in front of your colleagues. In this situation, you might be tempted to skip the preparation and just wing it, but if you do that, you're likely to make mistakes and not present your work effectively. On the other hand, if you take the time to prepare thoroughly, even though it means waiting longer to present, you'll be able to present your work confidently and achieve your desired outcome. Another example is waiting to receive a job offer after an interview. You might be eager to start the new job and move on with your career. But if you don't wait patiently and follow up too aggressively, you could risk ruining your chances of getting the job. In this case, waiting allows you to demonstrate professionalism and respect for the hiring process. However, it's important to note that waiting doesn't mean being passive. While we wait, we can still take action. For example, during the interview, we can wait patiently for our turn to speak, but we can also actively listen and engage with the interviewer. Similarly, after sending out job applications, we can wait for responses while continuing to network and apply for other positions. In conclusion, waiting is an essential part of life. It helps us be patient, persevere through challenges, and maintain a positive attitude. So the next time you find yourself waiting for something, remember that it's not just about being patient, but also about growing, learning, and becoming better. Don't let waiting define you. Define it yourself. Friends, we hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button below the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.